Today we are going to solve exercise 1b, question number 3 part A, that is x into x plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is a quadratic equation. First of all, we have to simplify it into the quadratic equation. For this we have to do x into x plus 1 is equal to 1. So x is x square plus x is equal to 1. So what will happen? X square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So for this we have to find discriminant, that the roots of the following coordinate equation are real or not. So for this we have to use the formula of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So a here is 1, b here is 1 and c here is minus 1. So for this we have d is equal to 1 whole square minus 4 1 minus 1, d is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. It means d is equal to 5 is greater than 0. So now we will use, it is not a perfect square, so we will use quadratic equation, which is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus b square minus 4ac will equal to 5 upon 2 into 1. So the final answer will be x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 2. So that is the answer. Now we have another question, that is 3 into x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 7x. If you look at the equation form, it is defined by the formula of a minus a plus b and a minus b, like a minus plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we will replace this equation by a square minus b square form. So it will be 3 into x square minus 1 and 7x. Further it will be 3x square minus 3 is equal to 7x. Further we will rewrite the equation 3x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we got the dedicated quadratic equation. So first we check the discriminant of the equation, that is b square minus 4ac. a equals to 3, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to minus 3. So d will be equals to minus 7 whole square 4 into 3 into minus 3. 7 7 are 49 plus 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 3, 12 multiplied by 3, it will be 36. Whenever we will add them, will be 85, that is greater than 0. But 85 is not a perfect square. So what we will do, So what we will do, we will use dedicated quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x will be equals to minus 7 plus minus b square minus 4ac, which is equals to 85 upon 2 into 3. So the final answer will be x is equals to 7 plus minus 85 under root upon 6. X into x minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 2x. So we have to simplify it first to get a dedicated quadratic equation. So first of all, what we have to do, we will multiply it x square minus 5x 7 minus 2x. We will shift to 7 minus 2x to the left hand side. It will be x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we will get minus 5x plus 3x minus 5x plus 2x will be minus 3x. So we got quadratic equation. So we will find the discriminant of the equation, whether it need to be use quadratic formula or not. So d equals to b square minus 4ac. So a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to minus 7. So we will put the values 3, 4 into 1 minus 7. So 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus 4 7s are 28. It will be 37. So it is not a perfect square, not a perfect square. So what we will do, we will use quadratic equation. So it will be x is equal to minus b plus minus 4ac upon 2a. So x equals to minus b, what we have, minus 3 plus minus b square minus 4ac, we already measured it, that is 37 upon 2 into 1. So it will be, so the final answer will be x equals to minus minus plus 3 plus minus under root 37 upon 2. 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to x plus x into x plus 2. First of all, we have to solve the bracket to get quadratic equation. So it will be 2x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 2x. So it will be 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 2x. We will shift x square plus 2x on the left hand side. So it will be 2x square plus x minus 3 minus x square minus 2x is equal to 0. 2x and minus x square, there will be x square plus x minus 2x will be minus x is equal to 3. Now we got quadratic equation. We have to find the discriminant of the following. What will be d equals to b square minus 4ac. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 3. So d equals to minus 1 whole square minus 4 1 into minus 3. So d will be equals to 1 plus 12 equals to 13. But 13 is not a perfect square. 13 is not a perfect square. So we will solve it through quadratic formula, which is x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x equals to minus 1 plus minus b square minus 4ac, that will be equals to 13 divided by 2 into 1. So the final answer will be x equals to plus 1 plus minus under root 13 upon 2. Now we choose a bit difficult level of a question. What we have 4x minus 3 whole square plus 4x plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. So what we have to do, we will solve the whole square separately. It will be 16x square minus 24x plus 9. The second part is 16x square plus 24x plus 9 is equal to 25. So what we have here, minus 24x and plus 24x, they both are opposite in a sign, so it will cut each other. 16 and 16 will add each other, so it will be 32x square plus 9 and 9 it will add each other, so it will be 18, and here we have 25. So 32x square plus 18 is equal to 25. We will shift 18 to the right hand side, it will be 25 minus 18. So 32x square, it will be 25 minus 18 into 7. So x square is equal to 32 is multiplied with the x square. When we will shift to the right hand side, it will automatically divide. So 7 upon 32. We will take square root both sides. So what we will have, x is equal to plus minus 7 upon 32. That is the answer. Now we have another question, which is 0.5 into x square plus 1 is equal to x. This question seems a bit difficult, but it is not difficult, it is very easy. So what we will do, we will shift decimal number into the form of the fraction. So 0.5 is equal to 1 upon 2. So the equation will be 1 upon 2 x square plus 1 is equal to x. 2 here is divide. Whenever it will shift to the right hand side, it will multiply with the x. So x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. We will shift 2x to the left hand side, it will be minus 2x. So we have a final equation, that is x square minus 2x plus 1. So if you look at the form, it shows a formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we will rewrite the equation x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. We will take the square root, take square root on both of its sides. So it will be x minus 1 is equal to 0. X, the value of the x will be 1. So now we have another question, that is 3 upon 2x square plus 2x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. So this equation is in the fraction form, so we have to simplify it. So the answer, so the LCM of the following equation will be 8. So the above term will be 6x square plus 16x minus 4 is equal to 0. 8 here is dividing. Whenever it will shift to the right hand side, it will multiply with the 0. So the simplified equation we will have 6x square plus 16x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will look to the following equation, so we can take a common to simplify it further. So we will have 2 is a common from the following terms. 2 3 square plus 8x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the simplified equation we will have 3x square plus 8x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will find the discriminant of the following equation. D equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of the a is 3, b is 8 and c equals to minus 2. So d equals to 8 whole square minus 4 into 3 into minus 2. So d will be equals to 64 minus plus will be 24. So the value of the d will be 88, which is greater than 0, but it is not a perfect square. So we will use quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x equals to minus 8 plus minus b square minus 4ac will be equals to 88 upon 2 into 3. So whenever you will simplify it, it will be minus 8 plus minus 2 under root 22 divided by 6. We will take 2 here as a common, so it will be 2 into minus 4 plus minus under root 22 divided by 6 So here we will have 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the final answer will be -4 plus minus under root 22/3. This is the answer.